what you get for running the stop sign.
Reindeer action.
Chicago's migrant shelters. WBBM political editor Craig Dellamore reports from City Hall. Outside the Immigration Customs Enforcement Field Office, speakers like Dr. Rebecca Fenton with the Alivio Federal said Chicago needs more federal resources.
No child should have to die to demonstrate the unsafe living conditions migrant families are facing. We are all here demanding no more.
Congressman Jesus Stewie Garcia was there to support the call and criticized Texas Governor Greg Abbott for using the
What are you fucking doing?
And it's not going down. No matter how much letters I get.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, shit. The road's closed? You parked there to piss them off? Diamond, come here.